Hey everyone, are you a student looking for the best free apps in 2025? Then this video is just for you. Today, I'll be showing you 5 amazing apps that every student must have. These apps will save your time, boost your productivity, and make studying so much easier. So, let's get started. The first app on our list is Notion. Notion is a powerful all-in-one productivity app where you can take notes, create to-do lists, organize your study schedule, and even track your goals. The best part? It has tons of free templates made for students, like class schedules, revision trackers, and assignment planners. If you're someone who struggles to stay organized, Notion is going to be a game changer for you. Next, we have Google Lens. This app is like magic for students. Just open your camera, point it at a math problem, and boom, Google Lens gives you the solution instantly, along with step-by-step explanations. It can also translate text in real time, which is super useful for reading notes, books, or articles in different languages. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you survived without it. App number 3 is Microsoft OneNote, or, if you prefer something lighter, Google Keep Notes. These apps are perfect for quick note-taking, making checklists, and syncing everything across your devices. So whether you're on your phone, tablet, or laptop, your notes are always updated. No more excuses for losing your notes before exams. Coming to app number 4, Grammarly. If you write essays, assignments, or even emails, Grammarly helps you correct grammar, spelling, and sentence structure instantly. It also improves your writing style and makes your English more professional. For students who struggle with writing, this app is like your personal teacher. And if you want to paraphrase your notes quickly, you can also use Quillbot, another free tool. And the last app on our list is Khan Academy. This app is completely free and offers thousands of lessons, practice exercises, and quizzes in subjects like math, science, economics, and more. It's perfect for self-study and exam preparation. The best part? The content is made by expert teachers, and you don't have to pay a single rupee. So if you want a free learning platform, Khan Academy is the way to go. So those were my top 5 best free apps for students in 2025. Let's quickly recap. 1. Notion for organization. 2. Google Lens for problem solving. 3. OneNote or Keep Notes for note-taking. 4. Grammarly for writing. 5. Khan Academy for free learning. Which app is your favorite, or do you already use some of these? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more app reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.